Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about mantra Shreem Barzi. Shreem Barzi is a powerful mantra invented by Dr. Piles. It's a great mantra for attracting wealth and prosperity in life. Today we will discuss an meditation with visualization effects to get results more effectively and fastly. So, before we start meditation, you have to practice this meditation daily, once or twice for 21 days for better results. This will give you 100% results. Sit comfortably and take few deep breaths. Take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. Visualize your guru to whom you believe. Visualize in front of you. Pray him or her that you are going to chant, meditate Shreem Barzi mantra for say your desire for what you are going to chant Shreem Barzi mantra. Remember, the goal should be clear. Your intention should be very clear.
Shreem Barzi.
Inhale and exhale. Deep breaths. Inhale and exhale Shreem Barzi with every breath. Inhale and exhale Shreem Barzi with every breath. Deep breathing. Exhale and inhale Shreem Barzi with every breath. Shreem Barzi with every breath. Now concentrate on your third eye chakra. Visualize yourself sitting on your third eye chakra. You are seated on your third eye chakra and chanting Shreem Barzi, Shreem Barzi, Shreem Barzi. This Shreem Barzi chanting sound is spreading all in your body. Shreem Barzi mantra is floating in your mind, conscious mind, subconscious mind. Visualize Shreem Barzi mantra floating in your body, deep in your subconscious mind, in every nerve, in every cell of your body. Shreem Barzi penetrates deep inside your body. Shreem Barzi mixing with your blood. Shreem Barzi penetrates in your organs, in your heart, in your every breath, your lungs, each and every part of your body. Cover up with Shreem Barzi. Feel the warmness of Shreem Barzi in every organ of your body. Visualize Shreem Barzi in your blood, in your cells, tissues, all other organs. Concentrate on your third eye. Shreem Barzi, Shreem Barzi, Shreem Barzi. Shreem Barzi is penetrating in your each part of your body. Shreem Barzi, Shreem Barzi. Visualize Shreem Barzi is floating all inside your body, in every cell, in every organ, in every part of your body. Each and every organ of your body is filled with Shreem Barzi. Feel Shreem Barzi in your body. Now, Shreem Barzi overflows from your body and starts flowing out from each pore of your body. Number of Shreem Barzi is coming out from each and every pore of your body. Chanting of Shreem Barzi is multiplied. 1,000 number of Shreem Barzis are coming out from each pore of your body and surrounding you. Your aura and whole surrounding are covered by Shreem Barzi. Visualize yourself chanting Shreem Brazi at your third eye, and Shreem Brazi is spreading in your body. It gives number of multiplying and coming out from each pore of your body. The energy of Shreem Brazi is flowing deep inside you. Now Shreem Brazi from your surrounding starts floating upper in the universe, higher and higher, flowing up in the universe, higher and higher. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in the universe. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi in the universe. Shreem Brazi mantra are floating in the universe and emerging in the Goddess Lakshmi. Visualize all the mantras, Shreem Brazi mantras from your surrounding are floating toward the Goddess Lakshmi and entering in her body. Visualize Goddess Lakshmi. Visualize now the divine light, golden light from the Goddess Lakshmi is spreading toward you. It's showering on you. Golden light from the Goddess Lakshmi starts flowing toward you on your whole body. Goddess of wealth and prosperity showering her blessing on you. Visualize you have gained the object for which you start chanting Shreem Brazi. Visualize as you obtained, as you get the Shreem Brazi. Visualize you have gained the object for which you start chanting Shreem Brazi. Enjoy with that object. Visualize yourself enjoying with that object. Spend time as you want to spend with yourself and Goddess Lakshmi's blessings. After a few times, say thankful to the universe, to the Goddess Lakshmi, and also to the Dr. Pillai for this beautiful mantra to help you. Thank you.